So the Home Business Academy pays an amazing 80% commission on their products. So as an affiliate, if you're an affiliate with the Home Business Academy, whatever the cost of that product is, and when you bring it to the market, someone purchases that product, you're going to get an 80% commission for the sale of that product. That is simply amazing. Right now I'm building my primary business that I'm building is the Save Club business because it's absolutely exploding. But the Home Business Academy, when as your Save Club business continues to grow, you're going to start to get a tremendous amount of questions from people. Questions about marketing, questions about creating their own capture pages, their own landing pages, just you name it, right? Tons of questions on all the social media platforms and what they should say and all those type of things. So with the Home Business Academy, this gives you a one-stop shop for everyone that's in your Save Club business to come to learn everything that they need to know to advertise and to get leads and all the different resources that they need, because that's what we're looking for, right? That's the beauty of having a network marketing or affiliate marketing business that's different than a traditional business. With a traditional business, you're tied down to location, you're tied down to your time in the business, and dealing with employees and all the other hardships that come with a traditional style business. Whereas with an affiliate marketing or network marketing business, what you're really looking for is you're looking for leverage. So what the Home Business Academy does is the Home Business Academy, it gives me leverage in my Save Club business so that I don't have to be on the phone or on the internet all the time, or just doing Zoom calls, constantly teaching people all the different things that the Home Business Academy already does. So if we do a deep dive really quickly into the Home Business Academy's compensation plan, I may even play this video right here before I get done because Paul does a great job of explaining, why they did the 80% commission on all qualified sales. They also have a great chart down here, and you can see they have three different products. They have the Home Business Academy. They have the Let's Goal app. The Home Business Academy also has their funnel builder. So the Let's Goal app is $10. The funnel builder, which does, it's not only is it easier, but in some ways it does more things than other services that I've paid for to create, complete sales funnels. I've paid a lot more. I paid three times more than the funnel builder that comes with the Home Business Academy. I really love it. So if you complete a successful sale of the Let's Goal app, your payment is $8, right? 80%. This one's $20, but the product every single month is $25. I have both of those products. Then if you have the premium, which I also have, the premium, that's what the Home Business Academy Premium, that's where they do a deep dive into how to rank your YouTube videos, how to get customers off of LinkedIn, all the Facebook, they show you and teach you how to do the free lead sources and how to get leads using paid marketing, right? So if they also have what's called like a combo, right? So you can get, if one of your customers that you invite to your link and send through the funnel ends up buying all three of the Home Business Academy products, then you're going to get $128. But look at this, in comparison to a lot of typical network marketing companies, if you have 10 customers, right? So if you go out into the market, however you decide to market the Home Business Academy, it can be on YouTube, it can be through friends and family, it can be through just any number of different ways that you decide to market your business. It can be direct mail, all the different social media platforms, whatever way that you learn inside the Home Business Academy to attract people to you, and then give them your link to send them through your funnel. If you get 10 customers in the Home Business Academy, that's going to pay you $1,280 a month. Now, I don't know about you, and I don't know what network marketing companies you have been in, but to earn $1,280 a month residually every single month in a network marketing company, you're looking at having thousands of people in your network marketing organization. Now, I understand in a network marketing company, just like the Save Club, you personally are not going to go out and get thousands of people. You're only going to get, let's just say hypothetically, you go out and you personally enroll 200 people. What you're looking for is someone in that organization that takes off on a leg and starts building out a large organization, right? That's where those thousands of people are going to come from. But this is incredible. If you have just 100 people, you're already earning $12,800 every single month. Now, quick disclaimer, right? With the Home Business Academy, average affiliates, you can read it right down there. Average affiliates can expect to earn that with the business. For full earnings disclosure, you can go there. Each individual is going to earn as much as their efforts and their ability to be coachable, right? So there's no guarantee of income, and individual results will vary. But there are numerous people in the Home Business Academy that have achieved this and are earning this kind of money. It really is very easy to see. It's not as cumbersome and complex as your typical network marketing compensation plan, trying to understand it. Going back over here, you can see they have the pre-traffic, right? They have free training on all this different these different traffic methods right here. Paid methods, you got Facebook, you have YouTube, you have text messages, solo ads, and then low cost local generation. I've used that before. That's like direct mail. You can use signs and things like that, and there's different locations you can put up different flyers, and believe it or not, that type of stuff works really well. One other thing that you get as a premium member of the Home Business Academy is you get to use the Emerson Magic Content Machine, and basically what that is you can put anything in here. Let's say you have a blog, you can type in write me a blog post on saving money at the grocery store, right? And you put that in, you put Go Emerson, so it's going to write us a blog post on saving money at the grocery store, right? It's just doing its thing right now. I'll go over here and then I'll come back. When you're going through this, it says it's much easier to sell products you yourself own and love. I do own the products. I do love the products. They also have a funnel builder. I'll get into that here in just a minute. But if you refer a customer who purchases a monthly recurring product, you'll earn 80% on the entire sale every single month. Just amazing. So I click back over here. You can see I asked Emerson to write me a blog post on saving money at the grocery store, and here you go. We have a blog post, has everything that you need in there. It's unique. All you got to do is copy it, and then you can go over to your website and you can paste it in. You can use this to post in different places like LinkedIn, anywhere that will take an article. You can go ahead and post that in and start using attraction marketing, right? Instead of just blasting all over social media about the new business that you're in. It's better to attract people to you by giving them something of value. Another product that I own is the Financial Literacy Academy. I'm not going to click on that one, however, because we're not supposed to. That's a part of the affiliate agreement, but it's phenomenal. They have a lot of information in there about different ways as a small business owner that even if you're not an LLC, but you're just a solopreneur, then you can still have tax savings. And that's what they teach you in the Financial Literacy Academy. Obviously, you want to check. I'm not a professional accountant. You need to check with your own accountant for your individual circumstances. Well, let's click right here. Let's click on the Funnel Builder Academy. We'll go ahead and log in. And let's see. I thought I just logged in. Go ahead and log in. And you can see right here. So if I click on this side, this shows like a whole bunch of the different ones that I've built already, but I'll show you this one as a quick example of what I'm talking about. All you do is just click on it, and then all these different pictures right here, you can change. If you just, instead of asking for their name, if you just want to ask for their email, you can do that. You can change any of the wording up here. You can easily, with a click of your mouse, you can change the picture. You can put whatever kind you want. So it's really good, and there's a whole bunch of different pages. Let me show you really quickly. If you scroll down here to the bottom, these are all mine. These are ones that I've already put together. And those are, so you can go out, you get a link, you can go out on the internet to social media, YouTube, LinkedIn, um, you can do it on Facebook. You can post something on Facebook Live. But you got your capture page. You can put a bridge page in between, which just bridges between where you're capturing the customer's information and the sales page at the very end, right? Maybe you want to have a video in between, or they have a whole bunch of them that are completely built out and done 100% for you. You don't have to do anything other than direct people to that initial link, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. So if you go down here, you see they already have all of these templates that are completely built for you, right? Let's go ahead and let's preview this one really quickly. So you can see this one's built. This one's already completely built for you. All you have to do is just change a few things right here, and the tutorials are really good. It's step by step. You can push pause on the video. They show you how to do the minutest of little things. So as you go through and all of this is just like you can put your own wording in here, right? But you can leave the pictures if you want. You can put your own pictures. It's really, really easy to do this. So that's why I really love the Home Business Academy. I'm not gonna lie, I love the 80% commission that you get on the products, but it's phenomenal that I can utilize the premium version of this, and people can go and they can resource all the different mastermind sessions that 8-figure earners are teaching to their team. They have a whole bunch of different videos and Zoom calls where you can learn from the best of the best. And it's that way you have leverage in your Save Club business, right? And the benefit of it is you're able to earn revenue both ways. The Home Business Academy fulfills all the training and the education that's needed to really take the Save Club business to the next level. And the great thing about it is you get to earn money along that way, and your team gets phenomenal training by 8-figure earners. So I just wanted to do this video for you today really quickly. Uh, I'm going to have a link down below that's going to give you a free Mastermind collection. And all you got to do is click on the link. It's a free Mastermind collection. They have Napoleon Hill. You can download the audio, listen to it while you're driving. And I also will have another link in there for the Home Business Academy. I hope you learned something from the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.